play! Yes, let's play! Catch the ball! I got it! Great job! Thank you! Let's play again! Okay! Emma, may I use your blue crayon? Of course! Thank you! You're welcome. You are very kind. Let's finish our pictures together.
Nancy, what are you drawing?
I'm drawing a rainbow.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
What color is the sun?
The sun is yellow.
Excellent! Nancy, your picture is beautiful.
Thank you, teacher.
You worked very carefully.
I tried my best.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much.
It's time to go home.
Okay, teacher.
Pack your bag carefully.
I'm packing my bag. Bye, Nancy. Bye, Emma. See you tomorrow.
Which fruit do you like?
I like apples.
Would you like some bananas too?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Thank you.
Welcome home.
We're home. Can you wash the apples? Yes, I can.
Thank you for helping.
I like helping. May I have some vegetable, please?
Of course.
Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your dinner.
It's delicious.
Would you like a bedtime story?
Yes, please.
Sit comfortably.
I'm ready.
Let's begin.
I love stories.
Sweet dreams, Nancy.